To add a new page to your website, whether it's a facility or a program, go to your sitemap. To add a program, go to the area where you'd like to add it. Click on that particular section and it'll pop up a window. Choose Add Page, select Program, and now it will add the particular program page. You'll need to provide information about the page. You can select a name for the page. This will automatically generate the URL. You also select the date and time that you want it to go public and create a short description of this particular page. Click the Add Page button and it will now appear in your sitemap. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll see our new page appears here. You'll need to provide information about the page. You can select a name for the page. This will automatically generate the URL. You also select the date and time that you want it to go public and create a short description of this particular page. Click the Add Page button and it will now appear in your sitemap. If we scroll to the bottom, we'll see our new page appears here. Once you've added a page, it'll appear in your sitemap. Simply hover over that page name to get the finger pointer, click on the page, and it'll open up the menu. Let's go ahead and visit this page so that we can make some edits to the content. Click on Visit, and it'll bring us to our page where we can now edit. Look at the top left of the screen and you'll see the edit icon. Simply click on that to bring open the box, click on Edit this page, and now we're in edit mode where we can add and change content. Once the Page Properties dialog box is open, you can set properties and attributes for this particular page. Some of this information is here from when we first set up the page, including our description. Let's go ahead and click on Custom Attributes so we can add more definition to this page. On the left-hand side are all the different attributes that you could add to your page. Once you click on it, it'll appear on the right-hand side so that you can fill it out. Some of the important attributes you should consider adding to your page are the meta title, the meta description, and the meta keywords. Notice when we've clicked on those, all of a sudden they've grayed out. They will now appear on the right-hand side so that we can fill in that information. The meta description, keywords, and the title are all very important for search engine optimization, so please be as descriptive as possible. Once the page properties are set, it's time to add the content. The page will start with a frame for you to define where you want the information to appear. Click on the Add to Main frame, select Add Block, and let's go ahead and add the hours of operation first. It's easy to input and display hours of operation for a facility. Simply fill out the form and a nice table is displayed on your page. By not putting any hours in a certain day, that day will appear as the hours being closed. You can also add custom days. So if on U.S. holidays you want to make sure that your facility appears as closed, you can add this and leave the hours blank. Now let's suppose we do have special hours on training holidays. We can add this as a custom day, and we can specify the hours here. And let's assume that our facility is open 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on training holidays. We'll go ahead and we'll add that into our form. And we filled out all the other information. We'll click on Save, and now we will see our holidays appear. Once we've completed the hours of operation block, we'll just click on the Save button, and now those changes that we made to our hours of operation will appear on the page. For instance, if we scroll, we can see where we added training holidays now appear on our schedule. Let's summarize what our facility is about by providing content to appear below the hours of operation. Select the Add to Info frame, Add Block, choose Content, and here is where we can provide an overview of our facility. Other types of content blocks you can add are forms, maps, slideshows, and more. To add more detailed information for this facility, we can organize content into accordions. Select the Add to Info frame, Add Block, Start Accordion, and then type the heading for this particular information. To add the details under this heading, choose the Add to Info frame, Add Block, Content, and here is where we can input the information to go under this heading. Click Add, and the information now appears. You can choose as many accordion headings and content as you would like before you have to end the accordion. Once you're done with that, choose the Add to Info frame, Add Block, and then end the accordion. You can also add videos as content. Choose the Add to Info frame, Add Block, scroll down until you see the YouTube video block, select it, insert the URL for your video, and then add it. Now this video will appear on your page. Once you're finished adding content to your page, click on the Editing button on the top left, click on Submit to Workflow, and this will alert the approver that a page is ready for publishing. Once we've finished adding or editing content for our facility page, we can go and preview what it will look like from the user standpoint. We'll go to our editing menu at the top left, we'll choose Preview as User, and this will show us what that page looks like from a visitor's perspective.